Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So in this video, how you can get Sora 2 absolutely free. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly, you have to go to your browser. So in the search bar, you have to search Deep Cider Chrome extension. Scroll here, and you can see this Deep Cider TM AI Cider. So you have to click on this, and then you will get this extension interface. Here you have to click on add to Chrome, add extension. So you can see this, the extension is downloading. So you have to close this tab. You can see this, the extension has been downloaded. So you have to click on this, and you have to click this, and you will get this option. So click on this and drag this here. So here you can see this. Click on this, and here you can see this, lots of models are available here. So you can see this Sora 2 free, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. So you have to click on this Sora 2 10-second free. Here you have to log in with your Gmail address. So or you can sign up here. So I will click on continue with Google. Continue. You can see this has login successfully. So I will write a prompt here. For an example, I have provide an prompt, so I will click on this. So as you can see, this prompt is working, and here you have to wait for until it gets 100%. So it will take a little bit minute. So wait until it's done 100%. As you can see, this has completed 50% and 50% left. So it has already done 62.6%. So this has done 81%. So also done 91.1%. So this has done 97.0%. So the rest of the 3% left. So this has completed the video. So as you can see, this was my prompt, and it has generated a video. So how you can get this video? So to get this video, you have to click on this green link. So click on this. I am opening this video. See this is very amazing and wonderful result I have get from Sora 2 model. So to download this, click on this and download. So this video is downloading. So it is downloaded successfully. So you can generate unlimited videos by using this extension. So enjoy the full premium features and get it absolutely free. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community. See you in the next video.